Good morning, everybody. It's Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing. We are back to um, watching crude oil. Crude oil is down $4.85, trading at 90 bucks. The high last night was 96.48. So obviously the world thinks that for now things may be wrapping up in Iran. Who knows where we'll be at 12 o'clock lunchtime? That might shift. So the grains are all lower. The grains are dragged up with the rally in crude oil, and so we're being pushed lower now. D's corn down 5.75 cents at 4.84. November beans down 8 cents at 11.67. July Chicago wheat down 6.5 cents at 6.10 3/4. KC July down 13 3/4 cents at 6.73. Minneapolis down 8 cents. So red across the board in the grains. Stock market is up 119. The S&P is up 11. Uh, Again, the driver is crude oil. Crude oil is trading 90 bucks right now. So I think until we get something else to trade, we are trading the crude oil and across the markets and the grains. And you have to remember, just heading into this week, a lot of new money had come in on the long side in corn, and now we're kind of at a decision point, right? Is this a dip to buy? Are we going to turn around and continue to rally higher? 484 even right now is still, um, you know, 40 cents higher than where we were in January. We did trade all the way to 505 level. The high of the move for D's corn was 505 3/4. If we come down to 483, that's a key support. That's a 62% retracement of the last rally from 69 to 505. So we're going to find out if 483 holds. If it does, then corn still has a story. If not, then we may get back into this trading range between, $5 and 470. So, but right now, 483 is a very, very big level. In November beans, we're trading under 1170 now. Uh, the high of the move there was just over $12. So actually, November beans are still in relatively great shape, even at 1167. The low of this whole mess when we started going with the Iran issue was 1118, believe it or not, on March 16th. So, we're still at 1170. There's a lot of meat on the bone there between 70 and 18. Uh, if you don't have any hedges or sales, I would make sure I get those done. If you're growing soybeans this year, July wheat that spiked to 18-month highs. Uh, Again, we pulled back here. I think that the big level to watch for July Chicago wheat is going to be $6, big psychological level. Got to remember, we started the year at 525, so we're still a dollar higher from where we were. You may have missed, the 60 cents between 610 and 670, but you still have that dollar to protect the downside. So that's how I look at it. It's still early. It's only the first week in May. If we do get a weather issue, that'll start driving us next. That's going to be the next thing we're going to wait and see what happens. We have a USDA on the 12th. Then we have the Chinese United States meeting on the 14th and 15th. Those are the next two big risk events, other than what happens with crude oil. All right, this is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing, 312-638-8868. Give me a call if you want to talk about your hedges or your cash sales. Thanks a lot.